Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to talk about one of the most common issues AliExpress buyers is changing the shipping address. So if you have made the purchase on AliExpress but you realize that you have entered the wrong shipping address, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. I will show you the easy way to change your shipping address before your order is shipped out. So let's get started. As you see guys, first you need to open your browser, then in the search bar tap AliExpress. Then guys, go to the first one, the official link, aliexpress.com. And guys, open your website. First guys, open aliexpress.com. Then on the toolbar on the top, go on the right side. This is account. Then you need to sign in if you have already your account. Then if you have already an account, just tap on sign in and tap your email and password. Then guys, when you sign in your account, then on the top just tap on account. Then as you see guys, this is your account section. Then on the left side just scroll to shipping address in the middle, then tap on shipping address. As you see guys, this is your shipping address section. Then if you want to add a new address or too much address, maybe you can add more than 6 address. Then on the top there is contact, then you need to tap contact name, for example. Then add phone number. I have already a phone number, this one. Then I will add an address. Then guys, address, and again confirm the address. Then guys, United States to country, the city New York, province. Then you need to add the zip code, the last. Then guys, if you want to make it as a default, it's mean always use this address, or you can use it just one time or 2 times. Just tap on confirm. As you see guys, the shipping address was created successfully. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.